Hello viewers, let's turn the top heading of the Excel table into double box with double words separated by beautiful tilted line. So first of all, select the top row and drag it down to make the space almost nearly double. And now click in the cell sign, go to formula bar, click inside and press Alt Enter to reach the second line, and now write another word. Click enter and now you can see there are two words. And now click in the same cell once again, come to the cell top word and give it a space 6 to 9 space bar. Now click in the cell once again, or for the third time, click on the small arrow of borders, open it, get down to more borders, and now you will see the tilted line at the right side. Select this. You can also change the type of the line. It appear, click OK, and it has been separated by a line. Now click in the same cell and go to format painter and select this. Select the entire row or the cell you want to separate with line. Now click in the QTY cell, give it a space 6 to 9 and Alt Enter, write alternate word, and you can see both has been separated. And now click the other cell to create the same space. First create space, then put your cursor to the end of the word, Alt Enter and feed an alternate word. Do the same with the others, creating space, Alt Enter for other line and then type another word. And now you can see that your table top row is having double words separated by a tilted line, which looks more beautiful. Thanks for watching.